Next topic natin is about types of control system. There are various types of control system, but all of them are created to control output. The system used for controlling the position, so velocity, acceleration, temperature, pressure, voltage, and current are example of control system. So ito yung mga example. So ito, bigay tayo ng example. So let us take an example of simple temperature controller of the room. To clear the concept, suppose there is a simple heating element which is heated up as long as the electric power supply is switched on. As long as the power supply which of the heater is on, the temperature of the room rises, and after achieving the desired temperature of the room, the power supply is switched off. So itong example na to is sa mga ang example nito is heater ito sa mga heater sa US. So pinapainit niya yung room gamit ang heater. So yung heater niya yon is merong thermostat. So yun yung nagde-determine ng ambient temperature ng room. So pag sinabi ambient temperature, yan yung temperature ng surroundings or ng room. Again, due to ambient temperature, the room temperature falls. And then manually the heater element is switched on to achieve the desired room. Achieve the desired room temperature again. In this way, one can manually control the room temperature as desired level. This example is a manual control system. So pag sinabing manual control system, so kailangan dito merong human intervention. So bali yung user ang magde-determine kung i-on or off niya yung system. So yan ang tinatawag na manual control system. The system can be further improved by using timer switch arrangement of the power supply, where the supply to the heating element is switched on and off predetermined to achieve the desired temperature level of the room. So the next is in-improve niya yung control niya. Imbis na manually i-on or off ng user yung heater, so meron na siyang timer. So yung timer, same lang principle niya nung sa washing machine na timer. So i-set mo lang sa defined time na gusto mo. There is another improved way of controlling the temperature of the room. Here, one is a sensor measure the difference between the actual temperature and the desired temperature. If there are any difference between them, the heating element function to reduce the difference, and the difference become lower than a predetermined level, the heating element stop functioning. So in-upgrade na nila yung system. So gumamit na sila ng sensor na tinatawag nating thermostat. So kadalasan makikita natin to sa mga aircon. So yan yung magde-determine ng ambient temperature. So pag bumaba na yung ambient temperature sa defined setting, So mag-on na yung heater. So gaya din yan ng aircon. Both forms of the system are automatic control system. So pag sinabing automatic, so pag saksak mo ng plug or pag on mo ng devices, kusang magko-function na lang yung system. So kahit tumagal pa yan ng buwan, so naka-on lang lagi yung system natin. So hindi na kailangan ng human intervention. So tinatawag yan na automatic control. Both forms of system are automatic control system. In the former one, the input of the system is entirely independent to the output of the system. The temperature of the room output increases as long as the power supply switch is kept on. That means the heating element produces heat as long as the power supply is kept on and the final room temperature does not have any control over the input power supply of the system. The system is called open loop control system. So, itong open loop, i-discuss natin to sa next topic. But the latter case, the heating element of the system function depending upon the difference between actual temperature and the desired temperature. This difference is called the error of the system. The error signal is fed back to the system to control the input. As the input of the output path and the error feedback create a closed loop, this type of control is referred as a closed loop control system. So sa control system, meron tayong two types, yung open loop and closed loop. So pakita ko lang sa inyo yung open loop. So ito yung sinasabing open loop. So remember sa a definition ng control system, so is a device which control other system. So sa control system, meron tayong controller. Then kinokontrol niya yung other system. So sa ibang book, tinatawag nilang plant. So sa open loop, so wala siyang feedback. I-discuss natin yan sa next topic. So ito naman yung closed loop. Meron siyang feedback. So kung mapapansin nyo, naka-enclose siya. So ano lang to, introduction. Bale sa next topic, i-discuss natin yan.